Fennel salad with cherry tomatoes. 2 ingredients with a bit of molten salt, olive oil, and parsley. Very simple. First, we prep the fennel. You can use a slicer if you have one, or a mandolin. That would make life much easier. Today we have neither, so slightly heavy-duty knife, you want to cut it in half. Beautiful. And we slice. We trim off the root. You cut them as thick or as thin as you like them. As you can see, 1 fennel is plenty, so today I might even stop there. Now, cherry tomatoes. You can halve them or you could quarter them. Always save a few for garnish. And a bit of parsley. Again, put some on the side for garnish later. The rest goes into the salad bowl. So now, we have the sliced fennel, we have the sliced cherry tomatoes, and parsley. To this, we add olive oil. Black pepper. And only when you're ready to serve, you add your molten salt. Otherwise, your salad will become very watery. And you mix. Now, into your serving bowl. You can see why we saved those cherry tomatoes. Now you can place them on top as garnish, some parsley, just for color, and a bit more olive oil. And there you have it. 2 ingredients. Fennel salad with cherry tomatoes. I hope you enjoy.